You said that you're a little nervous when that it's going to hit your face. So a couple things that can help. I don't know if you're nervous about it hitting your eyes or your face in general. I had, shockingly to me, somebody who was a hockey goalie, like an ice hockey goalie, was worried about it hitting their face. I said, well, you have a hockey mask, right? And they're like, yeah. I'm like, well, put your hockey mask on. And for them, that helped them in their practice. So if you're feeling a sense of, like if it's just your eyes, I've had people who wear goggles to protect their eyes, because if it helps control your fear and the anxiety that you might have in your body so that you can relax into the practice more, it's worth it to try that. I mean, it could also be something that as you get more acclimated to it, you'll get over it, but it's also something that you can address proactively if you want to. I would say a catcher's mask might give you more visibility than a hockey mask, but it might be worth the investment to make you feel safer so that you aren't triggered by past trauma. I mean, if you've been hit in the face and you lost some teeth, I could see where you'd be concerned about losing more teeth. Then the problem with, oh, well, I just avoid hitting my face, is until you have the skill to avoid hitting your face, the way you avoid hitting your face is getting into weird positions which make it difficult for you to actually control the poi. I have seen this happen before, so I recommend nipping that pattern in the bud now, immediately, and go get some face gear to protect yourself.